Have you ever walked down the pet aisle and felt uninspired? You see the same plastic toys, the same generic bowls, and the same polyester bandanas. Now think about the people you know who have pets. They treat their dogs and cats like family. They buy them special food, celebrate their birthdays, and fill their camera rolls with hundreds of photos. These are passionate people. And here in 2025, there's a massive shift happening. That passion is now intersecting with a deep desire to protect our planet. This creates a huge opportunity, a gap in the market that you can fill. It's a space where customers are actively looking for better options. This isn't just a hunch, it's a clear trend. Pet owners are becoming more and more conscious of their environmental footprint. They are scrutinizing everything, from the food they buy to the toys their furry friends play with. They want products that are sustainable, non-toxic, and made with care. But the big box stores have been slow to catch up. Okay, so the opportunity is clear. But you might be thinking, Pat, I don't have a warehouse, I don't have a bunch of cash for inventory, or any idea how to ship products. This is the part where I get really excited. Print on demand, or POD. Imagine this. You create a cool design for a pet bandana, you create a custom graphic for a stainless steel dog bowl. You list that product in your online store. When a customer, let's call her Jane, buys it, the order is automatically sent to a third-party POD partner. They actually make the product. Step 1. 1. Customer orders from your store. Step 2. Order sent to POD supplier. Step 3. Supplier prints the design. Step 4. Supplier ships to the customer. Print on demand supplier takes your design. Print on demand supplier prints onto the item. Print on demand supplier packages it up. Print on demand supplier ships it directly to Jane. You never have to touch the physical product. You don't store boxes of inventory in your garage. You don't run to the post office. You don't risk a single dollar on products that might not sell. You are the creative director and marketer of your brand. Your job? Come up with great ideas and get them in front of the right people. POD handles logistics and the heavy lifting. It's a beautifully simple system. Now for the fun part, let's start building this thing. The first and most critical step is to choose your specific niche. Saying you want to sell eco-friendly pet supplies is way too broad. It's like saying you want to open a restaurant that serves food. You'll be competing with everyone and connecting with no one. The real magic happens when you niche down. Instead of targeting all dog owners, what if you focused exclusively on owners of French bulldogs, or people who love hiking and camping with their dogs, or cat lovers into minimalist Scandinavian design? See how much more specific that is? When you narrow your focus, your marketing becomes 1,000 times easier and more effective. If you're targeting French bulldog owners, you know exactly where to find them. Join Frenchie groups on Facebook. Follow popular Frenchie accounts on Instagram. Use hashtags like FrenchieLove. Create designs that speak to shared experiences. Funny snorting sounds, stubborn attitudes, adorable bat ears. Your brand becomes an exclusive club, not a generic pet store. This is how you build a loyal tribe. Let's brainstorm more. Pet-friendly road trips. Sell custom car seat covers. Travel water bowls. Bandanas that say Adventure Buddy. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create the designs that will bring your brand to life. This is where you get to be creative and make products people will absolutely love. Don't worry if you're not a professional designer. Simple designs often win. It's the idea or the message that sells. Make something that resonates. That is so me. I have to get that for my friend. Think about categories. First, text-based designs. Funny phrases inside jokes, heartfelt sayings. Example, lowrider. Example, powered by fluff. Example, my dog is my trail guide. Create these with free tools like Canva, and they can be incredibly effective. Experiment with fonts and layouts. Playful, modern, elegant, rustic next. Explore simple graphics and icons. Stylized breed silhouette paw print with a heart tent mountain paw print. Put these on pet tags, feeding mats. You have your niche and your designs. Now you need a place to sell them. This is your digital storefront, your corner of the internet. Don't let this part intimidate you. It's easier than ever to get a professional-looking online store up and running. Platforms like Shopify are my top recommendation for beginners. They are built specifically for e-commerce and are designed to be user-friendly, even for people who aren't tech-savvy. They provide templates, a secure checkout process, and all the tools you need to manage your business from one central dashboard. Think of it as renting a perfect retail space in the world's busiest mall. The most important step here is connecting your store to a print-on-demand supplier that offers the eco-friendly products you want to sell. This is a crucial choice. Look for suppliers like Printful or Printify and carefully examine their product catalogs. You'll want to actively search for their eco-conscious collections. Organic cotton bandanas, t-shirts, pet bowls made from stainless steel, pet bowls made from ceramic blankets made from recycled materials. Read the product descriptions carefully to ensure they align with the values your brand is promising to deliver. Once you've chosen your supplier, their app will integrate directly with your Shopify store. This connection is what makes the magic happen. You'll use the supplier's interface to create your products. You'll upload your design, place it on a mock-up of the pet bowl, place it on a mock-up of the bandana, set your price, and then, with a click of a button, publish it to your store. Your beautiful store is open, stocked with amazing eco-friendly products. Now, how do you get customers to come and visit? This is where marketing comes in. For a niche like this, social media is your absolute best friend. You need to go where your audience is already hanging out. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, create accounts for your brand and start sharing content that your niche audience will love. The key here is not to just post pictures of your products over and over again. That gets boring fast. You need to provide value and build a community. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% fun, helpful, or entertaining. 20% promotional. If your niche is cat owners who love plants, share beautiful photos of cats in homes filled with pet-safe plants. Post tips on keeping cats from chewing on leaves. Share funny memes about cats and plants living together. Become the go-to source and attract the exact people likely to buy. Then post product photos. Your audience will be receptive. Collaborating with pet influencers is powerful. They've already built a large, engaged following of pet lovers. Find micro-influencers, a few thousand to 10,000 followers. A smaller, highly engaged audience is often more valuable than a huge, generic one. Offer free products in exchange for a post or story. Their recommendation acts as a warm, trusted referral. This can drive targeted traffic to your store. Don't forget user-generated content. Encourage customers to share photos with your products using a brand hashtag. As we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final, crucial piece of advice. In the world of online business, it's easy to get distracted by shiny objects. People are always talking about the next big thing, a secret algorithm hack, an untapped magic bullet product that promises instant riches. I'm here to tell you that's mostly noise. True, sustainable success doesn't come from chasing fleeting trends. It comes from serving a real market of people with a genuine problem or passion. And that is exactly what the eco-friendly pet niche is, a real, proven, and passionate market. You don't need a revolutionary invention. You just need to execute the fundamentals well. The plan we've laid out is not a secret, it's a roadmap. It works. Success will be determined by your ability to carefully and thoughtfully follow the steps. It's about the care you put into selecting a niche that truly resonates with a group of people. It's about the creativity you pour into designs that make them smile or feel understood. It's about the effort you put into building a clean, trustworthy online store and writing descriptions that connect with your customers on an emotional level. The real secret is consistency and focus. It's about showing up day after day, posting on social media, engaging with your community, and slowly but surely building a brand that people know, like, and trust. Your success won't happen overnight. This process of testing, learning, and iterating is the engine of growth. So, I want you to take a moment right now. Think about your own pets or the pets of your friends and family. What makes them unique? What are the funny quirks and shared experiences that bond their owners together? Is it a specific breed? A shared hobby? A certain style? The foundation of your future six-figure pet brand might be hiding in plain sight, right in your own life. The opportunity in 2025 is massive, the tools are accessible, and the risk is lower than ever. The only missing ingredient is you. Start with a real market, execute with care, and you can build something truly special. The pet industry is already enormous, worth billions of dollars globally. The sustainable goods market is also exploding. When you combine these two powerful forces, you get a niche that is not only growing, but has a built-in audience of passionate, motivated buyers. They have the money to spend, and they are actively seeking out small businesses that understand them. Forget trying to compete with the retail giants on price. Instead, you can win by offering something they can't. Specialized, sustainable, and heartfelt products that make pet owners feel good about their purchases.